Welcome to the fourth video of algebraic expansion, and in this video we are going to look into some of the problems using the cube, the expression for cubes, expansion for cube that we saw in the last video. So I would urge you to try to solve each problem by yourself, and then once you try, and then you can try to check the answer. So we will do the first problem. So please pause the video and try to do the problem yourself. So the first problem makes use of this expansion. A minus b the whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, and that would be you substitute 3a for a minus 1 by a the whole cube minus 3 into 3a into 1 by a, and that would be 3a minus 1 by a. That'd be equal to 9a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 9, because a and a got cancelled. You have 3a minus 1 by a. So yeah, that would be your answer. So the second question. Now let's do the second one. You can give it a try with a hint. So you're given that a squared plus 1 by a squared is 18, and you got to find a minus 1 by a and a cube minus 1 by a cube. Now even before you try to solve this problem, when you look at this, you try to find the relationship between what is given and what you need to find. And the relationship is pretty straightforward when you look at it. If you want to get from what you have to find to what is given, then you just need to square this, right? You just need to, squaring will give you this. And if you want to move if you want to reach here, what you can do is sometimes you can do from your intermediate step. You can cube this, you can cube this, and then you would reach here. So that's how you think. So with this hint, you can pause this video here and try to solve this problem. So here's how you solve this. So you can take this a minus 1 by a the whole square. So this would be your a, and this would be your b. So you have, this is nothing but a squared plus b squared minus 2 into a into b. That would be a squared plus 1 by a squared minus 2. A squared plus 1 by a squared is given as 18, and that's equal to 16. So once you find this, this would imply a minus 1 by a equal to square root of 16 is equal to plus or minus 4. So that's what your answer would be. The second question is a cube. You have to find a cube minus 1 by a cube, and your starting point is a minus 1 by a the whole cube. That is equal to a cube minus b cube plus minus 3 into a into b into a minus b. So that's this, and this would get cancelled out. So you have a cube minus, so you can substitute what is a minus 1 by a, which you got from the previous step. Now let's wait for the substitution. So you have a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 times a minus 1 by a is what you get. So it implies that a cube minus 1 by a cube is a minus 1 by a the whole cube plus 3 into a minus 1 by a. Now there are two values for a minus 1 by a. You can first substitute minus 4. So you would get minus 4 cube plus 3 into minus 4, and the other would be or minus 4 the whole cube. The other would be 4 cube plus, that's a minus 1 by a is plus or minus 4, since so this would be for a minus 1 by a equal to minus 4, and this would be for a minus 1 by a equal to plus 4. So you can substitute this. 4 cube plus 3 into 4. This would be 64 plus 12, 76, and this side would be minus 76. So this implies a cube minus 1 by a cube is plus or minus 76. So once you get the basic idea of how to reach your destination by looking at the problem, then you can, it's quite easy to solve these kind of problems. So the next one in the line is, this is a classic one, the third one. If a plus b plus c is 0, show that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 0. So I urge you to pause this video and try, with the hint that your starting point would be a plus b is minus c, and then you can cube both sides and see what really happens. So pause the video and give it a try. So here you go. The starting point would be a plus b plus c is 0. It implies a plus b equal to minus c. This is your first understanding. So now you cube both these sides. You would get a plus b the whole cube equal to minus c the whole cube. So this would be a cube plus b cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared is minus c cube. Or in other words, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to you take these two things, these two values the other side. So that would be 3a b into a plus b. Oh, sorry, since we take these two terms to the other side, so there is a minus sign involved. Let's do step by step, and let's not miss a step. It may be confusing. So that's minus 3a squared b minus 3ab squared. Since you took this to this side and this to this side, so they get the sign changes. So this would be minus 3ab into a plus b. We know that a plus b is minus c, so we can say this is minus 3ab into minus c, and that would be plus 3abc. So you get a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc, give if a plus b plus c is 0. Oh my god, this problem, there is a problem with this problem, so this is not 0, this is 3abc. Pardon me for the mistake. And even this one would be 3abc, right? So the next question is an extension of the previous one. It says find 3 sets of a, b, c such that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. So I would like you to pause this video and try to find any 3 sets. This problem is an extension of this previous problem, right? So if you want a cube plus b cube plus c cube as 3abc, we know that your a plus b plus c should be equal to 0. So let's take some values of a, b, and c. Let it be 2, minus 1, and minus 1, and that'll be 0. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube would be 10. Or not 10. It would be a cube would be 8. Let's write 2 cube plus minus 1 the whole cube plus minus 1 the whole cube. That would be 8 minus 2. That would be 6. And your 3abc would be 3 times A is 2 into B into C, and that is 6. So you can find as many values as you would like, as long as you select your A, B, C such that they add up to 0. So the other values can very well be 3, 2, minus 5, or 2, 4, minus 6, and so on. You can find any number of values. So the next question is the fifth one: expand 3x minus 2y plus 4. So the way to do think about this problem is you take this term as A and this term as B, and sorry, this term as B. So this is A again, and this is your B. So this is of the form now A plus B into A minus B. So with this hint, I would urge you to pause this video and try to solve this problem.